Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tonydelarocha, and if you're new here, welcome. I make review, plus size fashion, and lifestyle videos, so don't forget to subscribe. And we're in October, and I'm starting my Halloween tutorial videos, and I have two special guests again. Come on in. My nieces! Okay, what's your name?
Jasmine. Jamie.
They're gonna do my makeup just like we did last year. One of them is gonna do half of my face and the other one's gonna do the other half. So they already have planned whatever they're gonna do. They already have it planned, but I don't even know what it is. I'm not gonna know until the end of the video. I don't even have mirrors. I mean, we have mirrors here, but I'm not gonna look at myself. But we have tons of stuff here on the table. But we have tons of the cream-based Halloween makeup. Like every single color you can imagine. We have it here. Too. We have blood. We have like the zombie blood and then the regular blood. And then we have this here that we've had for a while. I hope this Halloween makeup, that's still wet. Oh my god, we should have waited till they dry. Anyways, we're gonna put it here. So we have tons of stuff here. Some stuff that we've had last year, so hopefully my skin doesn't break out, but whatever. So yeah, we're gonna start, and I'm a little scared because I don't know what I'm gonna look like. But yeah, you guys ready?
Yes.
Keep watching and subscribe.
Yeah.
Okay, let's start the video.
Okay.
Okay, so you already know what you're gonna want. You know you know what it's gonna be.
Yes.
Why do you sound like you're not?
Well, because I don't want to tell you.
You know what it's gonna be. Just say yes. If you know what it's gonna be, just say yes.
Just say yes.
Okay, get closer, grab colors, just go. Here we go. Cue Halloween music. This is Halloween. This is Halloween.
Oh my god.
I wish we can play Halloween music, but it's copyright. If you need more gray, tell me so I can pour some on here. That's why I put the paper on the table. Like if you need more, mira. There.
Me.
And you can grab some from there.
Okay.
I kind of have a feeling what you guys are gonna do.
What do you think I'm gonna do? Wait, we need to draw the black line right here.
Oh yeah, go. But make sure you make it straight this time, not like last year.
Yeah. Your lips? Oh, it does not show on your lips. Never mind. Okay, go.
Half and half.
Okay. Okay. Oh, you look funny.
Oh, that's cold.
Oh my god, get on your hair.
I'm so sorry.
Oh my god.
Even though you took a shower already? I guess.
What is gonna be
No, I'm not gonna get that.
I just messed up.
You need to just hurry up and do what you're gonna do. Because I feel like Jazzy's like half done.
You feel like?
She's like, well, then you're right. I'm just like, I'm not
I'm
laughing
so
at you.
scared.
I'm not laughing at you, Jasmine.
This is so relaxing. I feel like I'm getting like
You should come
facial.
up with like your own facial name, and I'll do your facials.
oh, that's cold, Jazzy.
That was nice.
Yeah.
Just seeing the brush lines on your face is so cool. Stop laughing. Okay. Nasty. I'm just like nasty, and I'm just like.
Remember, you have to be closer.
Okay. Jared, you.
Everybody, look at the picture. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Jazzy, look at the camera. Make a weird face. Like an evil laughing face. Okay, there. Vamos a thumbnail. Ow, me pica.
Just tell me when you're itchy, okay? No, we're not.
I'm scared, please. Oh, and I'm wearing orange just because it's Halloween season. Okay, relax. What? That was your problem.
It fell onto my face. No, and it's colored. Get off of his face.
What is it?
Okay, now from the red. Oh. I'm gonna reach. Yay! Yeah, I guess now.
Oh, this is not getting anything.
I wonder what Jazzy's gonna make me. Has she told you what it is?
Nope.
Wow, secrets. Are you excited, Jazzy? Am I gonna look scary or no?
Okay, that looks scary.
Oh, what's on my head? Yes.
What?
Same thing what I did last year. When I was
What if we film the next video? We film like me doing your guys' makeup and making you look like the worst, scariest horror movie ever.
Yeah.
I'll make Jazzy look like it.
Okay, so now. Where's the thing?
What thingy?
To make it. Oh, yeah.
Okay. I'm not gonna use that yet. Okay.
Ow! Ha!
You made me wait! Oh no! You made me mess up! Actually,
you're
no,
fine.
that's perfect. That was perfect. Thank you.
Messy is perfect. You say touchy the thing. I'm so scared.
Oh my god, you have to on your teeth.
I have it on my teeth?
Yeah.
Is that part of the look? But what side? Your side? You put me some?
Yeah. Doesn't it feel weird?
I don't
Like,
know.
those are so.
Okay, so what's your favorite horror movie now?
My favorite horror movie.
Not horror movie, but like Halloween movie.
Hocus Pocus. If not that, then. Oh, Nightmare Before Christmas.
Favorite Halloween movie now?
Jack.
She said she doesn't know. I thought you did, Jazzy. You ready?
Ooh.
I can't move, so I'm gonna have to laugh like this. Okay, how are we doing? Are we half done or no? So this is one side so far. This is the other side so far. So, okay, here we go. Let's continue. So now we're gonna see how I look, and they're gonna hand me the mirror. Did you think you did a good job? Did you think you did a good job?
Yes.
Okay.
Ready?
One.
Wait, I can't. You guys look the same. Oh my god. What am I? What did you make me? It's the same from last year.
That's not the same
Yes, it
from last
is.
year.
Oh, yeah. So the I was trying to make him a clown.
It's a gray clown. Look at all the scratches.
Jamie, you're trying to do what I was trying to do.
So you guys had the same idea?
Wait, no. I had 3 ideas and I didn't know what to pick, so I did all of them.
What? So who am I?
You're a clown. You were gonna be Jack from Nightmare Before Christmas. Him. A clown
So that's
and
that?
Egyptian.
Egyptian. Where's the Egyptian part?
Your eyes.
Oh.
The little whoop.
Wow.
So I did eyes and
So let's do a model look.
Mantra.
You did? Oh, look at them. This is her side. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a what?
thumbs up.
And subscribe to my channel. There will be more Halloween videos coming up. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.